Good evening to all of you who wish to find effective ways to prevent disease or viruses from spreading in our country and our community. Let's try to make boiled yellow ginger water every day before bedtime. Ways to prevent the spread of disease or viruses in our body. It enhances the immunity of our body. It's also helped to eliminate the pain. Ginger water or ginger tea is made by boiling fresh ginger root in water, then cooling and straining the liquid. Lemon juice and honey are added to this strained liquid. These are the benefits of drinking ginger water. Ginger water aids digestion and helps in treating cold and flu infection. In fact, having a small doses regularly can help people suffering from asthma, and its inflammatory properties can shame strong antibiotics. Ginger water or ginger tea is made by boiling fresh and ginger root in water,